Good afternoon, this is Indira Shah here. Today, on many requests, I want to prepare this dosha moraga podi. They usually call it as moraga podi. This is the Iyer speciality. Okay, and this goes very well with dosa and idli. Especially when we travel, what we do is we mix this dosha moraga podi in gingerly oil. Okay, and then we rub it on the idli on both the sides and then we carry it. It will be very nice to eat. This is very simple to make. This is the Iyer speciality. So moraga podi, moragai means chili. Okay, so this we call it as dosha moraga podi. This goes well with dosa, idli or anything. So we need 1 cup of urad dal here. Okay, urad dal and quarter cup of black till, black gingerly, sesame, and you need to take black only. This tastes better and black has the oil content. Okay, and 1 cup of chili, dried chili. Okay, now this you can adjust according to the taste, and hing and salt. You need only 5 items, nothing else. Now you have to fry everything separately. This you have to fry separately till pink. This till it splutters. This till it becomes crispy, and you have then put off the gas and then just heat this. Why we heat this salt is salt always contains moisture. It contains moisture. So when you grind with them, it may not go along with these. It may not. So that is the reason why we fry it. When you fry it, the moisture content goes away and then it gets mixed up with these. So let me just show you. When you fry, take a little bigger pan, okay? And then something like this. See here. Something, it should be like this, not like this. So this can be fried easily, okay? Here, it's turning pink. I'm getting the aroma also. It should be continuous frying. Okay, the frying should be continuous. Your right hand may faint, so shift it to the left hand. Okay, now this is done. Till gets fried very fast. The till should be clean, otherwise there will be some sediments. So always buy a very clean till, gingerly. Always use black, okay? Black has got more oil content. See, whatever we use it for our good health. So try to use whichever is the best. So my mother always used to tell me to use the black till, not the white one, because this has the outer cover which has the real oil content. See, it started making a crackling sound. But keep frying, okay? Now this is done. You can hear the sound. Okay? Now the chili. Chili doesn't need much of frying. I have put on the exhaust because otherwise you know what will happen when you fry your chili. The power is gone. I don't remove the stick from the chili. These chilies are harvest from my garden. I had harvested around 3 to 4 kilos of chilies. So I just dried them and have made a dry red chili. So I use this. This is quite hot, quite pungent in taste, but very tasty. See, now this is hot. Now put off the flame and in this the flame is off. Put the salt, required salt and hing. Just fry them. Just leave it in the pan. Okay. Now allow this to cool. Allow this to cool and then powder it. The powder should not be very fine. Okay. It should be coarse. Okay. Let me grind it. There's no power now. Let me grind it and come back to you. Yes, the morga pudi is finally done. See, it should be this coarse. Okay. Yes. So this you can eat it with idli, dosa, or whatever it is. The color is not very red because that goes on the chili that you buy. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Kindly do subscribe and press the bell button to get the subscription. And thank you very much again. Thank you. Here, this is the Molagai podi. You can use the other bad ghee, whichever gives a very red color. But mostly those bad ghees will have artificial color coated. So be careful when you buy the chili. Thank you very much again. After preparing, kindly give me your feedback. I want a sincere feedback. Thank you.